Hey guys, it's Lindsey. I'm the creative coordinator here at Bisque Imports, and today I have a super cute project for you. It's a cookies for Santa tray and carrots for the reindeer. So this one is super simple, super fun, great for the holiday season. This uses a silk screen and it helps out your customers getting a easy design on here that looks clean and crisp, and then all they have to do is kind of just color it in like a coloring book. Also, it's good because you can use it on a variety of pieces. So I have a sample on the modern serving tray, and then there is this tray as well, and it can really work on any larger plate or platter tray, charcuterie board, all kinds of fun stuff. So I'll show you guys how to do this. Great for adults and children workshops, or even as like a mom and me type thing. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so that's it. Super easy, super fun. Great for walk-in customers or workshops, kids and adults. Make sure to leave out some cookies and carrots for Santa and his reindeer this year, and don't forget the milk. And hope you guys had fun. Make sure to check out bisqueimports.com for a bunch of amazing products.